Lecture number 16. A very important reaction with aldehydes and ketones with ammonia. It may be a 3-mark question directly expected in the exam. The reaction is different with formaldehyde, acetaldehyde and acetone. That is, ammonia reacts in a different way with all the three. It's an easy reaction, nothing difficult in it. Now see, but then it reacts in a different way, that's all. Now listen. The very first is when it is formaldehyde, when it reacts with ammonia. So what is formed? It is called as urotropin. Now urotropin का नाम क्या रहेगा? It will be hexa 6 methylene CH2. So it is hexa methylene tetramine. I have written it over here. Hexa methylene tetramine. That is the product. Then I have balanced the reaction. Okay, then I have drawn the structure of urotropin, where you can see the structure of urotropin. Easy है, difficult कुछ भी नहीं है. It's just a cyclic structure. CH2N, CH2N I have written alternate. Then एक नाइट्रोजन बचा, वो नीचे लिखा मैंने. Fine. Okay. Then 3 CH2 groups remains. नाइट्रोजन का वैलेंसी 3 यहाँ पे नहीं satisfied है. In between you have got CH2. That's all. Okay. That is hexamethylene tetramine. That is same as urotropin. Now, board exam में this MCQ had come like how many carbon-carbon direct bonds are present in the structure of urotropin. I hope you understood what I said. Carbon-carbon bonds directly attached कितने हैं? 0. The answer is 0. Carbon-carbon bonding है इसमें? No. So the answer is 0. तो hexamethylene tetramine में it has got 0 carbon-carbon bonds. Okay, now what is the use of hexamethylene tetramine? It is a internal urinary antiseptic and it is used against rheumatism and gout. One more thing we can say, it is also used to produce the plastics and drugs. When it is nitrated, it is converted to a very high explosive compound that is called as cyclonite. So that is urotropin. And that is the reaction with formaldehyde. Now next we proceed with the reaction of acetaldehyde. You can see it's a normal simple addition like the reactions we have seen earlier. So it is just forming acetaldehyde ammonia. That is a addition product. So double bond O को तरफ H and NH2 is a what? It's a nucleophile. हो गया carbon को. So what is this? This is acetaldehyde ammonia. Now उसके बाद there is a removal of water. See, OH from here, H from here is removed. There is a double bond over here. And what is it? That is aldimine. What is it? It is called as a aldimine. Now the next. Aldimine K, suppose if I take 3 molecules, what is it called as? It is called as a trimer. It undergoes trimerization. It undergoes trimerization and that is a product which is formed with acetaldehyde. Now, the next reaction let us see with acetone. Acetone जो है ना, it reacts in a different way. Like what is the very first step? You can see that I have taken 2 molecules of acetone. There is a removal of water converted to mesetyl oxide. What is it? Mesetyl oxide. I hope you remember mesetyl oxide का nomenclature में I had written the structure of mesetyl oxide. We had written the IUPAC name for the same. What is the IUPAC name? It is 4-methyl pent 3-ene-2-one. What is it? 4-methyl pent 3-ene-2-one. That is mesetyl oxide. And in the next step, then ammonia reacts with it. And how does the addition take place? I have clearly written over there. NH3 का bond break हुआ, NH2 गया कार्बन को, double bond CH को गया H. So that is how the addition takes place. And then we are getting the final product with the reaction of acetone. The IUPAC name of the compound is 4-amino 4-methyl pent and 2-one. I repeat, 4-amino 4-methyl pent and 2-one. That is formed as a main product. The IUPAC nomenclature is written according to the alphabetical order. Okay, so that's all regarding the reaction with ammonia.